In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your WhatsApp web chat in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you want to save an important conversation or keep a backup of your messages, this process is easy once you know the steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to WhatsApp Web. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so everything works smoothly. Log into your account by scanning the QR code with your phone if needed and wait for your chats to load on the screen. Next, you'll need a browser extension that helps export WhatsApp chats and contacts. Open your browser's extension store and search for an extension designed to export WhatsApp chats and contacts. Once you find it, install the extension and wait a few moments for it to be added to your browser. After the extension is installed, go back to WhatsApp Web and open the chat you want to export. This can be a personal chat, a group chat, or any conversation you want to save. Now, look at the top right corner of your browser and click on the extension icon. This will open the export options. Here, you can choose a date range, such as exporting the full chat or only messages from a specific period. Next, select the file format you want. Common options include text, CSV, or HTML. Choose the format that works best for how you plan to use or store the chat later. Once everything is selected, click the Download button. The export process will begin and your chat will be saved as a file on your computer. You can now store it safely or use it whenever you need. And that's how you export a WhatsApp web chat. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.